what led you to Special Olympics? How did you discover this community?
Mhm.
And yeah, what made you stay there?
Paano ba? I think it started way, way, way back pa, nung mas active pa ako sa dance. So, I
Okay.
did, like, yung mga trips ko to New York.
Mm-hmm.
And then, in one of those trips, na-meet ko yung national director ng Special Olympics that time. And then, during that time, it was, hindi siya nag-register sa akin.
Mm-hmm.
But, I'm so glad we met because I also have a brother who's in the spectrum, meaning may autism.
Mm-hmm.
So, when she introduced the organization to me, parang naging interested ako. But, during that time, I didn't know how to help kasi it's a sports-centric organization.
Ah,
So,
okay.
to volunteer, parang, hindi naman ako sporty.
Oo,
Noon.
oo,
No.
oo.
Naman